This is Nadine from Access Fixtures. Today, we're focusing on a critical yet often overlooked area of any commercial facility, the loading dock. Dimly lit trailers and busy loading bays can be a recipe for accidents, damaged goods, and operational delays. A proper lighting solution is essential for ensuring safety, preventing costly errors, and keeping your operations running smoothly. Now let's explore how to solve these common loading dock challenges. What's the best lighting solution for a loading dock? LECI 28-watt LED dock light from Access Fixtures is designed to meet the demanding needs of any loading dock. It's robust, versatile, and powerful, helping you shine a light on safety and productivity. How durable is the LECI dock light? It's built to last with a heavy-duty die-cast aluminum housing and a shatter-resistant polycarbonate lens. With an IP65 rating for dust and water protection and IK06 impact resistance, it can handle the bumps and scrapes of a busy loading dock. This light is designed for the toughest industrial environments. Can LECI dock light be customized for different loading docks? Yes. It offers selectable 3000, 4000, or 5000 K color temperatures, allowing you to tailor the illumination to match the Kelvin of the other light fixtures in your facility. How does the LECI dock light enhance safety? It features a high-visibility yellow UV-stabilized powder coat finish, making it easy for forklift operators and other personnel to see, and the light is easily directed. This reduces the risk of accidental impact and increases overall awareness in the loading dock area. Can LECI dock lights be positioned easily? Absolutely. Either mounted on an arm or mounted via a magnet, LECI offers 360-degree rotation and toolless adjustments. You can position the light exactly where it's needed, illuminating the entire trailer and eliminating dangerous blind spots. How do LECI dock lights mount to different loading docks? It offers versatile options: a powerful magnetic plate for quick placement and repositioning, or a 42-inch articulating arm for a permanent setup with extended reach fitting any dock configuration. Is the LECI dock light a reliable investment? Yes. It's UL and QL listed for safety, DLC 5.1 qualified for energy efficiency, and eligible for rebates. With a 54,000-hour L70 rating and a 5-year limited warranty, the LECI ensures long-term performance and peace of mind for your facility. Have questions? We have answers. What is the energy consumption? LECI is an efficient 28-watt fixture that delivers over 3,400 lumens. What is the operating temperature range? It can operate in temperatures from -40 to 40 degrees Celsius. Who can I contact for support? Access Fixtures lighting specialists are ready to assist with any questions.
Why choose the LECI for your loading dock? Access Fixtures offers an unparalleled lighting solution. The LECI is incredibly durable, reducing maintenance and replacement costs, highly energy efficient to save on power, and provides robust, reliable lighting for enhanced safety and visibility. Don't compromise on your operations. Visit accessfixtures.com or call 800-468-9925 to speak with a lighting specialist about your project.